Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you dry beans crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's videos. We are exploring amazing dry beans crafts ideas. Dry beans are not only useful in the kitchen, but they are also wonderful material for creative DIY projects with different color, shape, and size. Dry beans can be turned into beautiful artwork, become decoration, and a fun craft project for all age. One of the best things about dry beans craft is that they are expensive, easy to make. You don't need fancy tools or expensive spendings. All you need are different types of dry beans: glue, cardboard, canvas, papers, paint, and a little imagination. Let's start with beans mosaic art. Arrange beans in different colors to create flower, tree, birds, butterfly, beautiful landscape. The natural color of the beans give every picture a unique and textured appearance. And viewers, my next idea is weavers. Another popular idea is making decorative photo frame. Cover a plain wooden or cardboard frame with different kind of beans. Mix with the beans, black beans and chicken peas to create beautiful pattern. Chickpeas to create beautiful patterns around your favorite family photo. Dry beans can also be used to decorate flower pot. Viewers, and viewers, simply glue beans around the outside of a plain flower pot to create a natural design. This handmade pot looks beautiful both indoor and outdoor. So friends, my next idea is weavers. I hope you are enjoying my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Khuda Hafiz.